Hello Wen Xi, I'm going to mark your paper now. Okay, so let's take a look at question A. Okay, what does source A tell you about management of discrimination? Okay, so this is the question focus. Good that you use back the keyword. Okay, this management is well handled. Good. Results. All of the results conclude positive outlook. Okay, this is similar to the common test. When you say all of the results most, what is the evidence? Okay, same mistake as common test. So if you look at source A, right, I mentioned that you need to quote the actual statistics, right? I also reminded you on the cover page here, use of source evidence must quote actual percentage. So please, over here I cannot award you high marks. This is only L2. Okay, so discrimination should not be allowed, correct? Only a small amount of discrimination as is being handled. Okay, the inference is right, but there is no evidence. So there is only L2. Let me see. Three. Okay, 3 out of 6 marks based on missing evidence. So we actually lost out 3 marks. Please remember this. This is source-based question. Sources are the source of evidence. Okay. So next question. Why was this infographic published? Okay. It was published to convince the citizens of Australia to help stop racism. Good. That 2%, is it only 2%? Where do you get this 2% from? It's actually 6%, right? 18 minus 12. Right? So, again, evidence is not accurate. As Australia is considered one of the most, it is hoped that citizens will live up to it. Okay. Are you trying to put in outcome? Outcome should be action, okay, to be taken by audience. Okay, when people go against racism, it will affect others who discriminate to stop. Okay, so this is the outcome. Okay, to those who discriminate against others, 5%. Okay, again here, consider the most multicultural nations. Are you trying to bring in a context? Okay, because in this case, based on the background info, the context should actually be this part. That even though Australia is multicultural, okay, there is still discrimination going on. This should be the context. That's why citizens of Australia should go against racism in their everyday lives. Okay, so this evidence, I cannot give it to you. So in this case, you only can get L33. Okay, so this is L3. Please be very careful, okay? It's a very costly mistake. Evidence. Let me highlight for you. So evidence are off. Okay? So if you look back at your previous comments, these are very common mistakes that you keep making and making. Okay? Please try to understand the logic behind this. Okay? So let's look at the next question.